Welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I wanted to do a quick V-Day beat. This is a very simple, easy beat that anybody can achieve. So I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So this is how it looks. So if you're interested on seeing how I achieved it, keep on watching, y'all. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up. So I already have my foundation done. So what I'm going to do to protect my foundation, I am going to put setting powder underneath my eyes so that just in case I have any fallout, I can sweep it right away. Hey y'all, I'm going to set my eyes using the Ulta foundation. It has the same formula as the concealer to me, so I'm going to use that to prime my eyes. Hey y'all, so I am applying my transition shade to cover up the concealer so that I can easily apply the rest of my eyeshadow. With this part, I am applying the eyeshadow with circular motions. I'm using a bigger blending brush so that I can get it on most of my lid. Otherwise, if I wanted to apply it in a certain area of my lid, I would use a smaller brush. As you can see, I blended the color almost on the whole entire lid due to me using a bigger brush, but that is okay because that is probably the only shade I will use for this look. I want to test out this beauty supply store glitter primer that was only $2. This brand Magic Collection is a very great brand at the beauty supply store. It's up there with all the high-end makeup that I ever tried. They are really good. So I really like this brand. So I'm hoping, let me get my words together. I'm hoping that this will work well as a good primer. So yeah. So I'm gonna use the red glitter that's in my Beauty Glaze palette to do this red eye look. Red right here. So when I used the glitter in the Beauty Glaze palette, it did not come on well with the glitter primer that I used. So I ended up putting red loose glitter on top of it to finish up this look. So the eyelashes that I'm using are from the beauty supply store. They're by Eye Envy. I believe the number that I have is 15. Sorry for this part. I did not know that I was filming me putting on my eyelashes. As you can see, it takes me a minute to get these right. So So I removed the powder underneath my eyes. Now I'm about to line my eyes up with white eyeliner from the beauty supply store. Do not sleep on the beauty supply store. And after that, I'm going to smoke my eyes out with red. So I'm going to use the red and the color Rain palette to smoke out my bottom lash. So after I smoke out my eyelid, I apply the It's Cosmetics. You guys need to check out that mascara. It is very good when it comes to the bottom lash. That's the only thing I use that mascara for, is for my bottom lash. Next, I'm going to use Colored Rain Cherry Blossom. This is my all-time favorite red lipstick. If you're looking for a nice deep red, check them out. Next, I noticed that my eyeshadow was not as dark as my lipstick, so I went in with a Colored Rain red eyeshadow and I patted on top of the glitter, and then I went in with a black eyeshadow from my Jaclyn Hill palette to darken up the eyeshadow. Now at this part, I'm going in with the black eyeshadow to darken it up. Hey loves, okay, so I finished my makeup. This is how it looks. And I want to show you guys my top. Like, it's so pretty. Like, 1 second. So yeah, this is my top. Excuse my lace. I don't have it glued down because I plan on taking this wig right off after this video. It's about, what, like 9 o'clock at night? Let me fix this eyelash real quick. Okay, I think it's matching. So yeah, check me out. Check me out. Cute, right? So yeah, I want to let you guys see my top. It's a crop top. So yeah, this is the final makeup look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs me up and please subscribe to my channel and keep in touch with your girl Lime Green. So let me flip this camera around. So yeah, like I was saying, subscribe, keep in touch with your girl Lime Green. Also, if you're interested in this wig, I'll have it linked in the description box. So other than that, thank you so much for watching and all that good jazzy stuff.